Very good morning, students. Today we're going to learn about Ohm's law and its microscopic form. So, Ohm's law summarizes one of the earliest experiments studied of flow of charge through conductor. It states that the physical condition remains the same. The electric current through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its end. For that, I'm consider a conductor having voltage or having potential difference V and I is current pass through it. So it will be V is directly proportional to R according to the definition of Ohm's law. Write it as equation number 1. Now I'm going to remove the sign of proportionality. For that I'm introducing some constant. So that's why I'm writing V is equal to I into R. Write it as equation number 2. Also, R is a constant for conductor and also known as resistance. Resistance is always depends upon the length and area of cross section A of the conductor. That's why it given R is equals to rho S L over A, equation number 3rd. Now rho S is the resistivity of conductor. If we talk about the units of resistance, the unit of resistance is called ohm and is defined as from above relation. If we put V is equals to 1 volt, I is equal to 1 ampere, then also resistance is equal to 1 ohm. So for that, V is equals to ampere into ohm, or you can say that ohm is equals to volt per ampere. In other words, you can say that ohm is resistance of conductor through which a current of 1 ampere flows when potential difference of 1 volt is applied across it. So now I am derive relation for macroscopic form of Ohm's law. So for that, this is also a relation between current density and conductivity. We know that current density is G and conductivity is sigma. So that is also known as microscopic form of Ohm's law. For that, we consider a conductor having length L cross section, which is potential difference is V applied. If electric field due to this potential will be E, then by the definition, the relation between potential difference and electric field will be V is equals to integration E dot dl. Write it as equation number 4. So the electric field in the conductor will be uniform. If the electric field in conductor will be uniform, that's why we can say that the electric field is directed along its length. Therefore, this relation will be, so therefore it will be potential difference V is equals to E into L, or we know that V is equal to I into R according to equation number 2. That's why I'm replace IR instead of V. It will be this. Write it as equation number 5th. Now according to the law of conservation of charge, we can say that I is equals to J into A. Now what is law of conservation of charge? The outward flow of charge must be balanced by a rate of decrease of charge within the closed surface. Or you can say that the electric current passed through conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its end, which is I is equals to J into A. Equation number as 6. So current density also directed along the length of conductor. You can say that because the electric field in conductor will be uniform, that's why directed along its length. Therefore, so this relation will be I is equals to J into A and R is equals to rho S L over A. Now I am putting these two values in equation 5th. These two values putting in equation 5th. So I is equals to J into A, writing here the value of R is this. I am writing here is equals to E L from equation 5th. Now what happens when we further sort out this equation? So it will be, now area of cross section cancel with each other, also length of conductor also cancel with each other. We left with current density into rho S is equals to electric field. Now we know that this is equals to 1 over sigma. or you can say that reciprocal of resistivity is called conductivity. That's why I'm writing J over sigma is equals to E. If we're going to find out the value of current density, so we cross multiply these two products, so it will be J is equals to sigma into E, which is the microscopic form of Ohm's law. Or you can say that from this equation it is clear that electric conductivity may be defined as current density per unit electric field intensity, also called microscopic form of Ohm's law. That's it. Thank you.